Hey, how's everybody doing? This is Mike with Plus 8 Precision, and here's a short video I got. Um, I inherited this Seco cutter, I don't know, a few years ago, with some lathe tools that I bought. And you see it's an R8 arbor, but trying to find the pieces, these wedge screws, shims, the inserts. I mean, you can get them, but I don't really know what to compare it to. So it's kind of like a shot in the dark at buying these things, and none of them are really cheap. These wedge screws themselves are about $30 a piece. The shims, depending on if you buy the right ones, are, $15 to $20 a piece. And then you got to get all the screws, which are 4mm screws. So basically, I just said, you know what? I'm never going to use that, and just set it aside. Well, fast forward, I had the opportunity to pick this little face mill up. Just as you see it, insert screws, no arbor. Well, this is a FMB, I think it is, 22. That's the diameter, the inside diameter here. And then obviously the keys, the thrust keys. But, so what's the first thing I do? Hey, maybe we can get lucky and that'll fit. So, let's take this off. Lo and behold, it's not the right size. That's 3/4 of an inch. So, they don't fit. Now you can buy an arbor, but what's the point of having machines if you can't fix things yourself when you want to fix them? So, the way my brain works is, let's come up with something. This is what I came up with. A nice sleeve. It's made out of aluminum because it was just for testing purposes, so I wanted to do something that I could cut easily and quickly, and 3/4 ID, 22mm on the outside, within a thou or two, and 5/16 keyways, roughly 6.5mm deep. And so that fits on there. And then that fits on there. Obviously it still spins because the keys are much smaller on this arbor than the keyways are in this face mill. But as far as side-to-side play, there is no play. So it's a very good fit. And even if it wasn't a perfect fit, it's going to get screwed down, put the keys against the thrust that they're going to be from the direction of the way the cutters are, where the inserts are facing. And put it back together. I could tighten it more once I get it in the mill, but there you go. I think that's a quick, easy win for something that was almost pretty useless. So I don't think I'll ever get all the pieces for this, just because You know, you can't go down to the hardware store and just kind of try things, you know, get a feel for them, see if they seem to be right. So you're stuck buying things and sending things back and buying something else and sending that back. So this is what I got. If you like this kind of simple content, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel. It all helps out. So if you like this kind of content, very simple, very fast, give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It all helps out. I appreciate all my subscribers and my new subscribers, growing the channel slowly but surely. And, you know, it just gives me more reinforcement to continue making videos. You know, videos, as any other creators know, take time, take effort to try to make them interesting and edit out all the stuff that we didn't want to get in there. We thought we did and we changed our mind. But so subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a comment, good or bad, can't hurt my feelings. And this is Mike with +8 Precision. Thanks for watching. Here's a quick demonstration of this tool cutting. This is kind of the way I set it up. This is a 10 thou cut. We're feeding it about 1200 RPM. There's the finish. Very nice finish. So, I'm thinking my little bushing sleeve idea came out on top. Thanks for watching.